Nearly every homeowner will at some point decide to remove a hideously dated popcorn or textured ceiling, such as this one. And there are tutorials showing that look like this. This tan section is unpainted texture. You lightly wet it, let it sit for 15 minutes, and remove. Simple. But what happens if we complicate things? What happens if the ceiling had been painted over with a stubborn coat of oil-based semi-gloss paint? We're going to show you how to best mitigate this problem and save your kitchen. Here's what you do. It should remove like butter and look like this. Try to avoid damaging the drywall as much as possible. Those brown spots are where the outer paper layer of drywall was inadvertently cut. We will be skim coating the ceiling with topping compound later. And continue. Now the topping compound. And we sand until smooth using drywall sanding paper. And the second coat of compound. And now we're ready to paint. For more videos in this series, go to bestonlinecabinets.com.